Hello, ma'am. Sure, sir. I'm ready for the interview. Sure, ma'am. First of all, I want to say thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Priya and I am very similar to my name as I am lovable and cheerful girl. I am from Darbhanga, Bihar, which is also famous for Mithila painting and Makhana. I have done my graduation in BCom from Lalit Narayan Mithila University, Darbhanga with first class. My hobbies are listening music, making new friends and visiting new personalities. My strengths are I am honest, punctual and hardworking girl. My aim is I want to see myself as a designation of provisionary officer in reputed bank like ICICI Bank. I am a competitive girl and I love challenges. Sure, ma'am. We are 5 members in our family. My grandmother is the head of our family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a teacher. I have one younger sibling. He is pursuing a bachelor in business administration. Okay, sir. Sir, this is one of the potential sector which is growing with an excellent rate, and also here we get an opportunity to meet new personalities, and also it's my hobbies, and here we get an social reputation. It's necessary for middle class girl like me, and banks also provides a various facilities to the employees. That's why I choose a banking sector. Sure, sir. ICICI means Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. ICICI Bank established in June 1994 in Vadodara, Gujarat. Its yes, sir. Sir, about ICICI, sir. ICICI means Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. ICICI Bank established in June 1994 in Vadodara, Gujarat. Tagline has हम है ना and ख्याल आपका. ICICI headquartered in Vadodara, Gujarat and cooperative office in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Its branches in India 5,275 and ATMs are 15,589 across in India. CEO has Mr. Sandeep Bakshi and Chairman Mr. Girish Chandra Das. ICICI Bank is the first Indian bank to adopt software reports and also launch mobile banking services. Yes, sir. About Darbhanga, sir. Darbhanga is the capital of Mithilanchal, and also Darbhanga known as cultural capital of Bihar, heart of Mithila, and also famous for Mithila painting and Makhana. The language here is used the Maithili language. Why should I select you? Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am a determined and dedicated girl, especially towards my work. And also, sir, I am a commerce graduate. I can understand the banking terms more easily. I assure you that if you give me a chance, then I will justify your selection and I will working sincerely and honestly. My next 5-year plan. First of all, I would like to join ICICI Bank as a probationary officer, and I will work here with 100% honestly. Then in 5 years later, I would like to see myself at the designation of a manager post. Sir, I am an optimistic girl and I am confident that I will get selected. Unfortunately, I don't selected this time. I would at least come to knowledge about my weakness. I will make upon it and definitely get selected. It my next interview. And sir, I believe in try again and again. Alone or team, sir? Sir, if necessary, I am ready to work alone, but my preference is always working in a team because much more gets achieved when people work together. Yes, sir. My contribution, sir. Sir, I want my seniors to give me ample work so that I can develop my work. I will give my 100% and I will work here with 100% sincerely and honestly. Digitization is a process of converting data from manual to digital form. It reduces manual work and hard work. Banks are not just a part of our lives but have a significant role. The banks always adopt latest technology to enhance customer services. And also, with the help of digitization, banks are able to reach out to more customers and provide better services to them. Mobile banking is increasing at a fast pace more than online banking, and also mobile banking launched by ICICI Bank. Yes, sir. Why ICICI? Sir, this is one of the best bank all over the India. The working culture here is very good, and also ICICI gives the opportunity to go foreign country also, like abroad. The course, that is PGTM, is the best all over other banking, and a student's feedback regarding this course is very good. That's why, sir, I want to join here. Yes, sir. Why private sector, sir? Sir, I believe in private sector we can grow as early as possible. And also, sir, if we want to early promotion, we must join private sector where the appraisal system is totally depend upon upper work. If we are get good enough, sincere in work, that is private sector, these things are more respected as compared to the government sector. That's why, sir, I want to choose private sector. Work of PO, sir. Work of POs has handling daily customer transactions like passing a check, cash management, draft issue, etc. He should be capable enough to work in different areas like planning, marketing, budgeting, loan processing, and investment. Yes, sir. Qualities of good PO. He should have the vision and the capability to formulate a strategy to reach his objective and communicative. The areas of his member are, yes, sir. Sure, sir. Yes, sir. My mother is a teacher. Sir, teaching is a noble profession and regards for this profession bottom of my heart. But since my interest to exploring new culture and meeting with new personalities, that's why I took decision, because I believe that banking is the sector where I also help the society. Yes, sir, that's why I want to choose banking sector. How do I manage, sir? Sir, for me, Kashmir to Kanyakumari is same. I don't have any homesickness and I can easily manage myself as I am a competitive girl and I love challenges. And also, sir, my friends call me a versatile personality. That's why, sir, I think I manage everywhere, in every situation. How to bank earn profit, sir? Bank earn profit by depositing the public money. GDP. GDP is gross domestic product. It is defined as the market value of all final goods and services produced within a country in a year. RBI established in 1935 a recommendation of the Hilton Young. It was nationalized in 1949. It is the apex bank in India with headquarters situated in Mumbai. Yes, sir. My stream is commerce, sir. Balance sheet. It is the statement of account which is prepared at the end of every financial year. It gives the total picture of business at the point of time. Commerce, the business of buying and selling things. That is commerce. Sir, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.